Hello everyone, I will show you how to make your iPhone keyboard larger. First of all, if I open from here my keyboard, as you see my keyboard is little bit in the middle or smaller, and if I want to make it larger I will click back, and after that I will open settings app and scroll down and tap on display and brightness, and scroll down all the way to the end and tap on display zoom. And from here tap on larger text, and from here your keyboard will be a little bit larger. I will tap on done on the right top corner, tap on use zoomed, and after that tap on done on the right top corner again and click out, and I will check out with you from here to see the keyboard. And as you see the keyboard, it is a little bit bigger and better than before. And basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.